today, not much to do really. I've got a flight at 3 p.m. You can check out of here at 1. I'm gonna catch a moto taxi up to the Teleférico. Just got dropped off, had to go through the slums. I get boletas here. Hola, hello. 550 pesos, which is about 10 US dollars. It's kind of weird. They walk you through a photo gallery on your way up. All right. Oh, here we go. Oh, they've got a mini Christ the Redeemer here. Cool thing about this is, see how it's a dome shaped at the base and there's little holes in it? It used to be a artillery piece to defend the island against potential intrusions, and it was covered in vines so that you couldn't see it, so it just looked like the peak. Cool. I guess when you don't have any military purposes after the fact, you just turn it into a Christ the Redeemer. They also have a bunch of trails through the vegetation. There's obviously a concrete path with stairs, but there's also some just dirt paths. It's kind of cool. You just hear the cicadas going. I don't think it's all that remote. It's very developed up here, but still somewhat peaceful. I think I might have lucked out because there's not many tourists here today, but I can imagine when the tour buses got going that there's just crowds of people.